Hello everyone, this is Mehdi and you are welcome to a new video. In this video I will show you how to show WooCommerce product categories with Elementor free add-on. But before jump into the main tutorial, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get more videos on WordPress. If you visit my YouTube channel WP Hindi, then you will see already I have published lots of tutorials on WordPress like classified listing website, e-commerce website, Elementor and basic WordPress as well. So I request you please visit and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, very fast let's check which I am going to do in this tutorial. This is my e-commerce website and in this tutorial I want to add product categories just below this hero section. Definitely I will do it with Elementor WooCommerce free add-on. That's why very fast I have to install a Elementor WooCommerce free add-on. So go to the admin dashboard and hover over on plugins, click on add plugin. Search here shop builder. Shop builder Elementor WooCommerce builder add-on, which is free. Also it has pro version as well. Okay, so in this tutorial I will use only this free version and already I have published lots of tutorials on it. Like if you want to edit e-commerce website shop page, checkout page, category page and cart page with Elementor, then you can check my YouTube channel and check e-commerce tutorial playlist, then you will get it. Okay, so now just click over here install now, activate. After install and activating the add-on, you can see a new option is added in left side menu, shop builder. So if you hover over on it, then it shows some items like template builder, settings, get help and theme settings. If you want to go the settings area, then you can go from here and you can go another way, like check how it is the shop builder. This is the shop builder. If you click over here settings, okay, so you will be redirected to the settings page. I want to go from here, just click settings. This is the settings area and very fast you can see global settings, then the Elementor widget and module. Already I have published lots of tutorials on it, so if you want then you can check my YouTube channel and you can check the WooCommerce tutorial playlist. Okay, already I have shown it. Now in this tutorial just I want to show how to add the products category with Elementor. So you have to select this tab Elementor widget and just check where is the category. Okay, product category, this is the product category. You can see if you click over here, this is the toggle button and you can enable and disable it from here. So I want to use it, that's why I have to enable this widget. Just click over here, this is the activated. Okay, so go to the website and this is the home page. I want to show or I want to add the product category just below this hero section. So edit with Elementor, scroll down and just click over here this plus icon and take a new section, flex box. Okay, click this plus icon and from the left side menu, from the left side top you can see add element and you can search from here. Already just check where is the shop builder. Okay, maybe you can see very bottom or middle. Currently I see very fast. Okay, so you can see this is the shop builder and check this is the product category. You can see RT product category, just drag and drop here. Okay, you can see the categories icon are showing. Okay, so actually it's not category icon, it's image. I will show you how you can add this category image. You can layout and you can see there are two layouts are free. Okay, so I want to use a very fast layout. Then scroll down and layout default. You can change the column from here, like I want to give 5. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6. I think 6 is perfect. Then the query, This is the query. Actually, if you want, then you can show here a specific category. Actually, this is the display categories. I want to show all categories. This is the categories. If you want, then you can show a specific category, like then manual selection, and just type here the category name, like I want to show here juice. Okay, you can see this is the category. Okay, then the grocery. So in this way you can show here the specific category. Actually, I want to show all category from here. Okay, so all categories select from here. Okay, then they can see show empty category. If you deactivate it, that means empty category does not show here. So I want to show it. Then you can check the other settings from here. Then the sorting, order by category name, ascending and descending. I want to show like descending. Okay, so navigate to the settings tab, and you can see this is the settings tab, show category description. If you want, then you can show it from here. Actually, I don't want to show it. Then the image, this is the category image. Okay, so let's check from where we can add this category image, like publish it, then visit the website. Then I will show you how to add this category image. Just refresh the page. You can see it works fine. So go to the admin dashboard, and actually I want to add image from here on categories. Then the WooCommerce product and the categories. This is the categories. Just click over here, and you can see this is the uncategorized, and but already I have added the image. If you want, then you can add image from here. Just click over here, edit, scroll down, and you can see this is the display type, default and thumbnail. You have to add image from here, like this, or I want to give it like it. Okay, use image, then the update, then refresh the page. Yes, you can see it works fine. So if you want to change this image, then you can do it same way. Just edit the category, then you can change image from here. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.